Welcome to your VanCraft Campervan. Whether you're behind the wheel of a Waypoint, Waypoint XL, or an Altera, this series will walk you through how to get the most out of your adventure campervan. Let's begin with the basics, the driving setup. Each campervan from VanCraft model shares the same thoughtful design and functionality, but with a few key differences in size and capacity. The Waypoint is our most nimble at 19 feet long with seating for 4 and sleeping space for 3 to 4. The Waypoint XL and the Altera are both 22 feet long and offer extra room to stretch out. Each comfortably seats 6 and sleeps 4 to 6. All models stand at about 9.5 feet tall. This is critical when entering garages or drive-thrus. The interior gives you over 6 feet of interior standing height, so you can move around freely without having to crouch. The Altera adds an extra touch with a bathroom, hot water, and a trash can. All models are built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Let's start at the driver's seat. From the driver's seat, everything is within easy reach. Your dashboard contains all of the familiar controls like lighting, windshield wipers, cruise control, and the infotainment system, which displays camera views, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. Your van runs on diesel fuel only. The fuel cap is located on the driver's side, just behind the door. It also uses diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, required for operation. You can check and refill it under the hood on the passenger side. Levels are visible on the driver's control screen. Tires may vary by model, with options for all-terrain or highway trade. The recommended PSI is listed on the driver's side door panel. It's a good habit to check your tire pressure, especially before long trips. It's important to note that not all chassis have the same optional safety features from Mercedes. Owners can check with their local dealer or reference their build sheet for details. Let's move on to lighting. By the driver's seat, your campervan has 2-stage LED light pods. They're integrated into the front bumper, and they're controlled by 2 red switches on the left side of the steering column. If the switches are illuminated red, the lights are turned on. The white lights are perfect for low light conditions, while the yellow lights cut through fog or snow. Inside the van, the main interior lights are located along the roof near the tech stack. They're controlled by a labeled push button. Kitchen lights are found beneath the overhead cabinets and are similarly labeled. At the rear, reading lights flank the main sleeping area. They are touch sensitive, so tap one time to turn it on or off, press and hold the button to dim them. Each reading light also features a USB plug for charging devices. Below the sleeping area is the garage, with lighting controlled from the plumbing control panel in the utility bay. When you're close to the rear doors, you'll notice the ladder for the roof access. It's rated for 275 pounds. Never climb on the ladder with the door open. It could damage the hardware. The roof rack is a modular flat platform, perfect for larger bulky gear. The crossbars are repositionable. You just have to remove the side support screws with an Allen key to move them back and forth. Always load gear evenly to maintain safe handling. There is a 250-pound load limit on the roof. Back inside, the passenger seat swivels, allowing you to optimize interior space to create a more flexible living space. Your table is fully 6-way adjustable and can be removed or stowed in its dedicated storage when not in use. In every model, you'll find safe and compliant seating in the rear. Above the seating, you'll see your van's featured queen-size bed with 6-inch thick memory foam mattress. You'll see climate control throughout the van with a diesel heater, 4-season insulation, max air roof fan, and an optional off-grid air conditioner. Your van provides clever storage for cookware, clothes, gear, and toiletries, along with a compact kitchen featuring a pressure-regulated sink, induction stovetop, 75-quart refrigerator with an integrated freezer. On the wall is a tech stack that keeps you charged, connected, and in control of your campervan systems. Your interior features premium birch cabinetry, white oak countertops, weatherproof vinyl flooring, maple walls, and fabric ceiling with high-end hardware. All these features will keep you comfortable, organized, and connected. Every VanCraft van is equipped with a fire extinguisher, a smoke alarm, and a carbon monoxide detector. The fire extinguisher is located near the sliding door on the floor. Use the pass method. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep side to side. Test your smoke and CO alarms monthly. Replace the batteries as needed. If either alarm sounds, ventilate the van immediately and investigate the cause. Never use open flames inside your van. Always use proper ventilation when cooking or running any of the systems. Before every trip, take a minute to walk around your van. Check for leaks or visible damage. Look under the van for signs of fluid, confirm your mirrors are properly adjusted, check your oil, coolant, DEF levels. Make sure all your drawers, cabinets, and gear are inside the van and they're secure before taking off. A few minutes of prep helps ensure a safe, smooth drive. Well, that wraps up your overview of driving and safety. Stick with us and we'll dive into the more specific features of your van. If this guide didn't help you, don't worry, our customer support team is here to help you. Just give us a call at 1-385-515-0948. or you can email us at support@van-craft.com.